Oh, it's free. You want to see my boobies? It's free. Fuck is wrong with your ass nigga? I don't like you, man. Even your fucking name, Fish Soul. Probably your pee-pee smell like a fish. Ew.
Yeah, so you the reason why the sun.
You have no respect for yourself having an OnlyFans, okay? Then leave. For 1 minute you call me, can we call, baby? And then you tell me this? Are you fucking nuts? You dumb fucking bitch. You fucking kidding me? You were a fucking whore, you are. You're the one who begging for a call. With a fucking online streamer girl. Mind you, you're out of my fucking league. Okay? Number 2, now you turn all of sudden become a fucking saint. Oh, you have no respect for yourself having OnlyFans. Thank you fucking much. You also have no respect by watching me. So we both has no different. Right? You enjoy my fucking titties. You've been watching me. You've been calling me a baby. Trying to get my attention. I don't give a shit. Fuck off, bitch. Also, your name is gay, Vanilla. Why is your name is Vanilla? Oye, ¿cómo está mi hijo? I want to see my son. No. It's been a long time. Exactly! Dude, exactly. Nowadays, I don't have to fucking meet guys to make a fucking dime. This guy see me through the fucking screen. They jerk off on my video. Who gives a shit? And one day, I will quit. Probably next year, to be honest with you, next year. Right? I delete my Instagram. I delete my OnlyFans. I'm not that big like Sophia Rain that people can leak my video or whatever. Also, I don't care. Look at the fucking Kim Kardashian. She famous because of sex tape leak. Look at her now. You know, of course I don't want to be exactly like her, but like sometimes it's not that bad. People forget about it, and not all people know what is the sex tape like. You know, I don't see it. Is it like she's doing doggy style in there, or she just like, you know what I mean? I don't know. But who cares? Why would you quit? Because I might get married with this guy and he's doing pretty well for his job. He got like steady, like not like a 9 to 5 job, but it's way better. And he knows I'm doing OnlyFans, but he already know what I'm actually doing on OnlyFans, so he's okay with it. But of course, we come to a conclusion where if he propose me this year and we whatever get married, of course I'm fine, bitch. Like, you think I want to do OnlyFans for the rest of my life? If I make $1 million, sure. I'm not make that much, to be honest, on OnlyFans. I make more on Kick sometimes. It's like, you know. Oh shit, which one is calling me? Oh, it's 7 a.m. there, sorry. Oli. ¿Qué haces?
Trabajar, ¿y tú?
También. Pero I'm angry, okay?
¿Qué?
But I'm angry, okay? Tengo fuego. No, porque esta gente es como una mierda. Lo siento mucho, ¿ok?
Ok.
Pronto yo no quiero hacer nada como... Y... ¿Entiendes? No, yo quiero paro. Yo quiero paro. Sí, por favor. Yo quiero paro.
Yo también.
Solo quiero ser mamá en la casa y con mi música y con mis bebés, ¿ok?
Oh,
You wanna be a mom?
¿Eh?
Eh?
Yo también quiero ser mamá y basta con mi música.
You make me the mother, sí. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Cabrona? ¿Es cabrona?
Cabrona.
Necesito a long time. Pero, joder. Está bien.
Guapa.
Guapo. Espera. 1, 2. ¡Uy! Sí. Ella. Thank you. Thank you. I don't want. What? Ew. Lo siento. Sí, soy muy real persona, ¿ok? No puedo pretend. Es que es risa, me gusta, no me gusta, ew. ¿Eh? Ay, cabrona.
Hello.
A ver, te amo, te amo, te amo. Ah, te amo. No. I call you later, ¿ok? Joder, no, es diferente, sí. Adiós.
Chao.
Ciao.
Do you miss me?
Oh, he's jumping so high. See, Bad Matty, that's why I don't even want to be your girlfriend, man. You really think when I become someone's wife or girlfriend, I want to be... Nah.
Come in.
Oh, she's back already.
Calm down.
He's like autism, you know? He's possessed. This demon in him. He's jumping so high. For an ugly single mom with way too much ego who can
See?
barely speak English, getting married is actually
See?
lucky. Go do that. We know you are older than you say. For an ugly single mom. For an ugly single mom with way too much ego who can barely speak English, getting married is actually lucky. Go do that. We know you are older than you say. Eh? That is such a broken English over there. Or I'm the one who didn't get it. What? Who's the single mother over here? Excuse moi? Huh? I don't understand. Some people like they type like what it's, you know, on keywords. There's like a suggestion word. They just like click. Bruh. Heck no, bro. What the fuck? Anybody can explain to me what these fuckers mean? For an ugly single mom with way too much